Hi guys, welcome to another video of Candlestick series. So in this video we will be seeing what are called dojis, one of the most powerful and one of the most renowned indecisive candle. So in the previous video we saw what are called basically spinning tops. Dojis are similar to that, but these are much stronger than spinning tops. So you can see the doji candles will generally have a very minute difference or no difference between open and close, followed by long wicks and shadows. Yeah, so color of the candle does not matter. What matter is the difference between open and close is really small or maybe close to zero, and it has very high wicks on both upside, downside, or at least one of the side. So this is what ideal doji look like, but I'll show you another different forms of doji candles. So you can see here, like these are one of the most common and one of the most powerful doji candles. So in these, there is no difference between open and close. So that simply means the price opened here, went up, went down, and eventually closed where it opened. Again, like the price opened here, went up, came down, and closed here. In this example, again, the price opened here, went down all the way, and closed here. So in these kind of doji candles, the open and close is close to zero. So these are also known as indecisive candles like spinning tops. So it generally when it is formed, the market pauses. So there are two things which can happen when these kind of doji candles are formed. So these names does not matter. So you have to just remember the difference between open and close of a doji candle is very small, or there is no difference between open and close. So the price opens and closes at the same place after it has made a wicks or a body. So generally what happens whenever it is formed, it will either lead to a reversal in the market, that is from an uptrend it will go to downtrend, or from an downtrend it will go to an uptrend, or it will lead to a continuation. So let's just say if it's formed in an uptrend and it is formed, then it will continue for an uptrend. Let's just say if it is formed in between a downtrend, again the downtrend will continue. So it can be formed for spotting a reversal or for a continuation. Let's just see some examples. So first example, I'll be showing you both the reversals for uptrend and downtrend. You can see here, there was an uptrend here, a doji was formed over here, and the market reversed all of a sudden. So once the market went down, again at the bottom, a doji was formed, and again market reversed. So like as I told you, it generally spots either reversal or a continuation. So you have to understand that and understand where the market will move next. So as you can see here, after an uptrend, it made a doji candle and the market reversed from there and went down. And after going having a downtrend, it was formed here, and again from here the market reversed and the market went up. So this was an example of doji candle, how it is used for identifying reversal in the market. Let's see some examples for continuation over here. So as you can see, the market was falling, and all of a sudden it made a doji candle, a gravestone doji. See, the color of the candle does not matter, as I told you. It's a green candle still. Once the doji candle was formed, again the market continued to rally downward. Yeah. So always, whenever a doji candle is formed, always pay attention to it. It generally leads to either a reversal or it generally leads to either a continuation of the trend. So let's see another example. In this, see, there was an uptrend and a doji candle was formed and the uptrend again continued. Yeah. So what you need to always remember is that whenever a doji candle is formed, you need to pay a very keen interest to the market, because from there either the market will continue in that particular direction or will reverse. Generally what a smart trader does, whenever a doji, spinning top, or something like indecisive candles are formed, they wait for a while. They don't immediately jump into the market and take the trade. They wait for a while, understand whether it's a reversal, whether it's a fake reversal, or whether the trend will continue, and then they enter. Yeah. So that's it about doji candlesticks, guys. So if you like the video and if you think you learned something out of this, and like you feel like you can implement in your trading, so please like the video and subscribe to it. And if you feel like you want to add up to something, or if you have any doubts, please drop it down over the comment section. Yeah, thank you for watching.